Good morning, ninth graders. Today we are going to very quickly talk about the word setting. Setting. Do you remember the word setting and what it means? Do you? What is the setting of a story? You might recall that setting is two things. It is time and the place where a story happens. Time and place. So today we're going to talk about the setting of our story, Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet. I have a special guest teacher today. Ben, where does the story Romeo and Juliet take place?
Italy.
Italy. And where is Italy, Benjamin?
Europe.
And we are going to zoom in. Let us zoom in.
A hand.
Oh wait, I can't zoom in. Let's zoom in. Here we have Europe. This is Africa. Some of you are from Africa. Ah, no, we're not going there. We want to go north. North. Oh, gosh.
North.
We want to go here to Verona. Verona is a city in Italy. And it's the setting, the place where the story happens. But we also have to talk about another place. There's going to be, oh my goodness, this is terrible. Ah! I'm zooming in too much. Sorry. There we go. All right.
Another one.
So, I don't want to drive to Italy. Goodness, Google Maps, what are you doing to me?
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness, this map is for crazies. Okay. It also takes place in Mantua. So there's two settings in this story. The first setting is a place called Verona. And the second place is called Mantua. So you're going to run right down Verona and Mantua as the two settings that this story takes place in.
Hey, I'm helping her.
We're videotaping right now. When does the story take place? Well, the story takes place 500 years ago. 500 years ago. That is when this story takes place. Verona, Italy, 500 years ago. And here it is. Mantua and Verona. They are two cities in Italy. This has been a lesson brought to you by Benjamin Tinty and
Mommy Tinty.
Mommy Tinty. Okay, go answer my two questions. It should be easy.